Current faves and obsessions. Let's talk about them. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and it's been a minute since we've done one of these videos, but it is time, it is overdue. We're going to be talking about current faves and obsessions. These are all the things I use every single day, daily use, that just simply bring me joy, and I don't really talk about them often here on the channel. You all know what I normally talk about, but hey, let's share them. I know you all get a lot of joy out of these videos, so let's do one. As always, lipstick of the day, everyone. We went with a hot pink type of color, and this is from MAC. I mean, of course, everything's always by MAC at this point. MAC Do Not Disturb lipstick. Check this out. It'll be in the description box linked below, just like everything else that is on my face. Now for the fragrance of the day. This is special, and we're gonna get all the way into it real quick. Fragrance of the day is from a brand that is new to me and fairly new to the market, and this is ARgENTUM. It's UK based, you all, and what's cool about them is they are officially ARgENTUM Apothecary, but ARgENTUM for short, and all of their fragrances are alcohol free. So the fragrance I have from them that I've been wearing and playing in myself, this one is called Creator. This is a full size bottle. Now they do also have sample vials of all of their fragrances. They have a total of 13 at this moment, which are very, very cool. I'll get more into those in a minute. The fragrance is alcohol free and is based off of an emulsion process. And with them being alcohol free, they are also meant for skin as well as hair. So you kind of get a 2-for-1 situation. And in my experience with wearing this, it definitely feels like a body care item, but it's very fragrant at the same time. So they have 4 collections as a total. All of the fragrances are considered archetypes. That's their cute name for all of them, because remember the whole apothecary vibe that's happening here. And the 4 collections are Fire, Air, Earth, and Water. Now my fragrance that I've been rocking, Creator, is a part of the Air collection. Notes in Creator are osmanthus flower. We got some cinnamon in here, and then we also have some bitter orange. And when I wear this fragrance, let me tell you all, it took the head off to really break it down for me, but this smells like a sexy woman drinking a gentleman's drink. That's literally what this smells like. So it's a vibe, and again, because it's more of an emulsion type of fragrance, it comes out white and kind of milky, but it's like body care and it rubs into the skin, so it's kind of like a skin essence. So I've been enjoying this, so definitely check out ARgENTUM. I'll have their information linked below in the description box. In addition to just the full size product, they do have samples if you want to check out the collection, and the presentation is everything. This is what the sample collection of all of the fragrances that they offer look like. The names are everything. I like this. We have Hero, Magician, Sage, and all of them have their own different notes. So definitely check them out. I'll have all their information in the description box below, so you can check out at your own leisure. But yeah, check out ARgENTUM, you all. They are really cool. And now let's talk about these current faves and obsessions. Yes, this first one is based off of TikTok hype. Gotta go ahead and say it and put it out there. But yes, I fell into the hype, but actually it's been very useful. 3 months later, I'm still using this every day. You guessed it, it is a Stanley cup. Yes, it is a Stanley cup. I think I shared on my reels and shorts when I actually found it, because these things were sold out everywhere for the longest. It was a whole thing. But you all, I actually take this thing everywhere with me because it actually fits in my car cup. So it's fun and functional. Is it the best water cup holder ever? Is it the most secure, most sealed? Absolutely no, it is not. It is a hyped item. It's what it is. It's a cup to drink water out of, but I love this thing and I actually stay hydrated because of it. So hey, the hype worked and it's actually benefiting my body. So Stanley cup is the first item that I am currently obsessed with. The second item I want to talk about, this is one that came in a gift set, and this is why it's good to play in the items that come in your gift sets, because you can really find some gems in there. So the second item I want to talk about, this is from Kiehl's Skincare, and this is their creamy eye treatment. It's their creamy eye treatment with avocado. I sleep in this because your girl was feeling a little dry under her eyes. I was trying to stay hydrated and lovely because, you know, I am getting married in the fall and I want to look my best. This is helping with this. I feel more hydrated. I don't see as much texture under my eyes anymore. And I also like the fact that it looks like an avocado in here. It's giving guac. So doesn't have a smell, so for those that like fragrance-free items, I think you'll enjoy this. Next item, this was an unexpected love. So this is one, when I first saw it, I was like, why is this like this? I hate this texture. But then when I saw the results on my skin, I loved it. This is from Good Molecules, and this is their pineapple exfoliating powder. check this out. You get a lot of product in here because a little bit goes a very long way. It is literally a powder in here. You have to pour a little bit of it out on your hand and wet it, and then it turns into like this cream. But it's a gentle exfoliator, and it has vitamin C in it, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it does. It has vitamin C in it, so it helps to brighten the skin while also improving the texture of it, and it's not harsh. And I can tell the difference. I don't have to wear as much concealer under my makeup like I normally do, so that's how I know we're getting more even under here. Love that. So Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder is an absolute love at this moment for sure. The next item, we are just totally in skincare mode. This was one that I got put on by my lovely wax lady. This is the Vanish PFB Chromabright. This is a treatment that is great for ingrowns, for anybody who gets waxed anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's underarms or other places. But it's for skin brightening, ingrown hair relief, waxing, razor bumps, and it's for men, women, whoever want to use it. Anybody to get a wax, you can use this. But I do like the results of this. I definitely have seen less ingrowns, and it's just more even skin tone for wherever I get waxed. So this was one of those good purchases. She wasn't just trying to sell me anything, because she actually uses this on me in my appointments, and I was like, I like this, so why not get it for the house? So yeah, the PFB, I like this stuff. Very, very underrated, and I don't really see people talking about it, so definitely check this product out. Vanish PFB Chromabright. Now y'all know it wouldn't be a current faves and obsessions video without a food item on the list. And the current favorite obsession food item this time around, Pop-Tarts. I have been loving Pop-Tarts. In particular, this is the frosted cherry kind. For a minute, I could not find these in the smaller box. I always say like the family pack of like 20 of them. I don't need that many Pop-Tarts. But I like to eat these as a fun and sweet snack in the afternoons. It's been a whole thing. I also have a box of like the chocolate fudge ones too. I enjoy those as well. But I'm loving Pop-Tarts again. It's just fun, especially now it's summertime. I just feel like being a big old kid. So yeah, Pop-Tarts, in particular the frosted cherry version. Next item is a makeup item. I know blush is all the rage right now in the makeup world, so definitely had to put a blush on here, but it's not one of those loud hot pink ones or hot red ones that everybody's wearing. This is one that's actually subtle and you can wear it every day. This is MAC, and this is Copper Tone. This is a blush. I link it all the time in my videos because I wear it all the time. As you can see, it's a peachy brown type of color, and when I say it just looks effortless on the cheeks, and it works on a lot of different skin tones, because to look at this you wouldn't think I would wear it for my complexion, but it's beautiful. It gives the perfect flush of color that I can put this on in the dark and I know it's gonna go with whatever I'm wearing today. So MAC Copper Tone Blush is a love right now. Next item, current favorite obsession. This has been a current favorite obsession for 3 years at this point, and this is none other than OPI nail polish, and this is OPI Marigolden Hour. You all saw me wearing this in last month videos when I was wearing yellow nails. Whenever I'm wearing yellow nails, this is what it is. Whether it's the gel version or the traditional nail polish, classic nail polish formula, because that's what this is right here. But yes, Marigolden Hour. I know people love white nails and all that in the summertime, but for me, it's yellow. Yellow is my signature color, and particularly marigold type of yellow. And obviously with a name like Marigolden Hour, I knew this was right up my alley. So yeah, I had to get a bottle of it, and I love this stuff. You will be seeing this color again before the summer's over with, because it just makes me so happy. I mean, it's yellow. OPI's Marigolden Hour nail polish. Yes, it's a love. The next item is a food item as well. This is something I use every single morning because I am a coffee drinker, and particularly a coffee pot drinker, and I like to flavor my coffee with syrups. This is the Torini salted caramel syrup, and I'm almost out of it. As you can see, I have to get another one probably in about 2 weeks because I love the salted caramel one. I have other flavors, but I keep going back to Old Faithful, and it's just so good. It's so great in a traditional brewed pot of coffee. I love this. It just makes me really, really happy. You can find it at your grocery stores. I've even seen it at Walmart's. I see it at Targets. So readily available, very easy to find, but it's really, really good, and it rivals a coffee house. So yes, Torini salted caramel syrup definitely makes the list. And the last item to make my current faves and obsessions list, this takes me back to school, but I found a pack of these recently in my box when I was going through things and organizing my office, and you all, I am obsessed with these things all over again. In fact, I have multiple around me, and that is mechanical pencils. In particular, these are mechanical number 2 pencils, and I have the colorful ones. I love these things because I know as an adult, we often just write with ink pens, if we write at all, because we do everything on computers, tablets, what have you. But for some reason, particularly when I'm planning, I'm writing in my planner, writing out notes, or even thinking about ideas, content creation, what have you, I like my mechanical pencils with me because it has an eraser. So I don't have to scratch through everything or have to go find some whiteout if I make a mistake. Just sometimes just the old tried and trues are just good. I remember these things for taking tests, particularly standardized tests. I'm thinking SAT, ACT back in those days, but as an adult, these are still very, very useful, and definitely get you some and put them on your desk. You will use them, what do you think you will? So yes, mechanical pencils round out this list. So all right, everyone, that wraps up this edition of Current Faves and Obsessions. These are just items that have been making my life much better. Very easy to use. A lot of these are very easy to find, very conventional items, but yeah, they bring me joy. What are some of your current faves and obsessions that are just like, they've just changed your life? They can be the simplest thing ever, or it can be something totally great, luxury, what have you. Let me know in the comments below because I want to know. So until next time, elves, I will catch you on the next video. Bye, y'all.